Good everyone. I hope you guys have an amazing day. So what I'm gonna do today, right? Today I'm gonna be doing a very simple task around the experience page cloud site. So if I open this, right? Let's open this builder, and let's preview it. Okay. So I got this, you know, nice looking page. Now the thing is that let's say you got a requirement where a customer comes back to you and say, "Hey, I don't have any contact us page anywhere, right? Can you add that for us?" Right? You might get a requirement. I mean, it's very common to get a requirement from a customer to add this, to change that. It's very normal, right? So that's exactly what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna show you how to add a contact page, and maybe we'll tweak something on that page. Pretty simple, nothing fancy. So I'm gonna go back to the builder. I log into my um, playground or org. So I go to site here under setup and digital experience all site, and I click on builder. It will take me here. Okay. Now what we have here right now. This is the menu page. Okay. So as usual, I've demonstrated this before, right? If you wanted to add anything to the menu, so just click here. Um, Edit the default navigation and add menu item. So I'll just say contact page, no contact. Okay, just say contact. And now we're not linking any Salesforce object, okay, because we're not linking the contact object here. We're just linking a simple page where the user can contact us. So this is a side page, right? And we have different page. So which page we want? We say contact support, okay, and save menu. Okay, now I will preview it. Click here. Okay, so we get something like this, which is good. But now, um, let's say a customer comes back to you and say, "Hey, can you put a message on the right hand side to say, hey, the customer service is available only from 9 to 5, Monday to Friday." Oh, that will be very handy for us because what happens is that now customer thinks you can contact us anytime, right? So they requested for this option here. So can you do that? Absolutely, you can do that. Now, how to do that? Okay, so go back to the builder. So go to this contact support here. So this is we are on the contact support page, right? This is pretty nice and easy, right? And if you can't find it, you can go here and pick up the stuff you want, right? Okay, now what I'll do, I will add a rich text component. So let's see, text component. Uh, okay, it doesn't. Okay, rich text content editor. So replaces test. Okay, I will say support. Please contact support from 9. I don't know, support working hours, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Come on, Monday to Friday. I mean, I understand that in Middle East is different, right? Because I remember when I used to work in Israel, it used to be Sunday to Thursday because Fridays Shabbat, so people don't work there. So I mean, I guess it's the same in other Middle Eastern countries as well, right? They have their own thingy on Friday. Um, yeah, sorry for my ignorance. I don't know much about it. I only know about Israel because I'm a Jewish, so I understand. So I'm saying, so this is not gonna be applicable to Middle East. It's mostly applicable to, let's say, to New Zealand, right? So or Australia, perhaps. Um, so support working hours 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Friday. Um, yeah, let me say, ain't that right? Okay. Now you can tidy this up. You can bold it. Um, yeah, you can change the font to whatever you want, right? You can change it to heading, or you can do a lot of stuff here. And oh yeah, edit content. You can also, I think, do center aligned. Um, yeah, you can fiddle with it, right? Whichever way you want. And now I'll just publish. You can customize your page, based on the requirement, and it's pretty simple, right? Experience Cloud. You don't need to be a programmer to work on Experience Cloud. It's very easy to configure. You need to have an eye for design. That's all you need, and you need to have understanding of the Salesforce. So, as you've seen, there, right? I didn't need to write any kind of LWC code here. I mean, you can, but what I'm saying is that you don't need to. You don't have to. So I'm gonna do preview. So I'm gonna do opportunity, and I could contact support working hours 9 to 5 Monday to Friday. I know this is not a pretty looking page, but you can customize it, and based on the customer need, you can add components to, or you can change this look and feel to it. So that's pretty much I wanted to talk about in this episode. I know it's a very short episode, but trust me, these things are important, right? Because if you're, like I said, if you're an experienced cloud builder, right, you will get a requirement to change a tiny bit. And yes, sometimes you may find this kind of requirement annoying, but hey, at the end of the day, customer is paying your salary, right? So you got to do what they ask for. So that's pretty much I wanted to talk about in this episode. I hope you guys have an amazing Sunday. Adios.